Welcome, fashion enthusiasts. You've tuned into Stepping Out in Style, your guide to neutral heels. I'm thrilled to have you join me as we unlock the secrets to choosing the perfect neutral slingback heels. These aren't just shoes. They're the silent heroes of your wardrobe, ready to elevate any outfit from day to night, office to evening. Slingback heels, with their elegant open back and secure strap, offer that special touch of sophistication that truly makes a difference. But here's where the fun begins: navigating the subtle yet significant differences between tan slingback heels and nude slingbacks. At first glance, they might seem similar. Just a couple of light brown shoes, right? Not quite. While both are incredibly versatile, they each bring unique benefits and nuances. Understanding these distinctions is key to mastering your style. It's not just about color. It's about how that color impacts your entire look and creates harmony with your outfit. So, let's dive into what nude and tan truly mean in the world of footwear. For years, nude was narrowly defined as a single peachy beige shade, which, let's be honest, excluded most people. But thankfully, that definition has evolved. Today, nude means a color that closely matches your specific skin tone. This embrace of diverse complexions recognizes that nude is personal. The goal of a nude shoe is to visually disappear on your foot, creating a seamless, unbroken line from your leg. This creates that coveted leg-lengthening illusion, making your legs look longer and your silhouette more streamlined. So a nude shoe could be a pale blush, a soft caramel, or even a deep espresso, all depending on your skin. On the flip side, tan in footwear refers to a range of richer, more saturated brownish shades. Unlike nude, tan shoes don't aim to blend invisibly. Instead, they provide a warm, earthy neutral that stands on its own. Think of shades like classic caramel, deep cognac, or a chic camel. These colors often draw from natural leather tones, offering a beautiful contrast and a grounded, sophisticated aesthetic. They provide a visible, warm element that complements your outfit without overtly extending the leg line. So, while nude strives for invisibility, tan offers a deliberate, subtle presence. Both are powerful, but for different reasons. Stay tuned as we uncover how to perfectly match your nude and when tan becomes your best friend.